Hello guys, welcome to my third online tutorial on differentiation. Today we'll look at the quotient rule of differentiation where a division of two functions are differentiated. So first of all, let's look at our rule. So if there are two functions such that y equals fx divided by gx, once we differentiate that using the quotient rule of differentiation, it will be like this. I'll explain it now. You take the denominator function, that is gx, keep it aside, and you take the numerator function fx and differentiate it, minus you take the numerator function fx, keep it aside, and differentiate the denominator function gx and multiply, and you divide the entire expression by the denominator function squared, or otherwise gx squared. So this is how you can use the quotient rule of differentiation when you have two functions divided together. Right, so then let's look at an example. Now this is an example where x squared plus x is divided by x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3. Now once you apply the quotient rule of differentiation, you have the denominator function x4 minus x3 multiplied by the differentiation of the numerator function x2 plus x, minus you have the numerator function differentiated by the denominator function, that is x4 minus x3, and you divide the entire thing by the square of the denominator function. And when you simplify this, you will get x4 minus x3, that's the denominator function. When you differentiate x squared plus x using the power rule of differentiation, you will get 2x plus 1 minus x2 plus x, that's the numerator function. Then the differentiation of the denominator function, that is 4x3 minus 3x squared divided by x4 minus x3 squared. And then you can simplify it even further and you will get this. So you have x4 multiplied by 2x1, that will be 2x5, and x4 multiplied by 1, that will give you just plus x4, and minus x3 multiplied by 2x1, you will get minus 2x4, and x3 multiplied by 1, you will get minus x3, so on and so forth. You can multiply this one and get the same answer, and you can simplify it even further to get this value. So the final answer will be minus 2x5 minus 2x4 plus 2x3 divided by the denominator value squared. So this is how you can apply the quotient rule of differentiation and get the answer. Thank you for listening and await more online tutorials.